Good evening, everyone. I'm Sakshi. Today, I want to share a story that proves where are you come from doesn't define where you can go. It is a story of a man who did not inherit a fortune and did not go to a good school or did not have a and did not go have a good connections yet went on a build a one of the largest business or empire in India. I'm talking about the Dhirubhai Ambani, who changed the face of the Indian entrepreneurship. And if Dhirubhai Ambani was born in 1932 in the small village, cow small village in Gujarat, and his father was a small school teacher, and his family is often struggle with their basic need. As a child, he started selling bhajiyas on the roadside to help his family, and he did not live in luxury, but he did not live in luxury, but uh, he didn't live in luxury, but he has a uh, great vision to do something great. In the teenager, in his teenager, he moved on Aden in Yemen, and he started working on a petrol pump station as an attendant and with a modest salary. And where but while most of the people there do just their job, and come home, and he think differently. He start observing the people there, and start learning, and dreamed of, and and then and he learned how to global trade works and how the businesses grow. And when he come to the India, and he has not so much capital and investors, but he has a mind of full of ideas. He start a small trading business with a one room office, and from that tiny office he began a journey of he began the journey of uh, he began the journey of making the making the India as a industrial future. And in 1966, he started a Reliance Corporation, commercial corporation, and that corporation seeds that would later become the Reliance Industrial. And he started with the polyester, and he expanded it in the textile and petrochemicals and telecom energy. And then he didn't stop there. He did not build a company only. He built a culture of culture of faith, belief. He uh, he invites the common Indian people in the stock market to making them partners as in his dream. And in his dream, then he this man was passing this man was passed in 2002. And Dhirubhai Ambani had gone from becoming a petrol pump attendant to become a founder of one of the largest business empire, which is valuable and respected business. And business he proves that a man who born with nothing yet created everything. He once said that he once said, think big, think fast, think ahead. In ideas are not one of ideas are not the monopoly. He